In this video, I will show you how to make a kokedama, which is a great way of creating a beautiful and sculptural object with a live plant. It's not only fun and rewarding, but the results are versatile hanging planters that can be used indoors and outdoors. Kokedama, which means moss ball in Japanese, are a type of bonsai that not only look fantastic, but are also an easy project to tackle in an afternoon. The materials you will need for this are potting compost, a bonsai mix, garden twine, scissors, a bucket and a mister spray. As for the plants, you'll need some carpet moss and a mature fern. I've decided to use a lady fern because it's perfect for kokedama. To start off, create a 2-to-1 mixture of potting compost and bonsai mix in a bucket, adding a little water until it reaches a sticky, wet consistency. This will help you to mould the compost mix around the plant's roots. Remove the fern from its pot and gently shake loose some of the original compost from its roots. Now take a large handful of the compost mix and form it into a ball, squeezing out excess water until it holds together really well. Divide the ball into 2 halves with a simple twist and place the plant between your 2 compost halves and reform the ball around the plant. Aim to create a ball of about the same volume as the original pot. Once the compost and bonsai mix is holding together firmly, envelope the root ball in a sheet of carpet moss and gather the moss around the stem of the fern. You can now trim the excess moss with a pair of scissors, leaving some behind at the neck of the root ball. To finish off your kokedama, wrap some twine around the neck of the moss ball to secure the moss in place. If you like, you can wrap more twine around the circumference of the ball, which will not only hold the moss in place, but create a nice pattern too. Lastly, tie a long length of twine around the neck of the kokedama, or 3 equal lengths of twine, and voila, it's ready to hang. It's best placed out of direct sunlight, and as it's susceptible to drying out, I'd recommend misting it regularly. You also want to check if the plant needs watering by testing the weight of the moss ball. When it feels light, submerge the kokedama in water for about 15 to 20 minutes, but make sure that you keep the foliage dry.